Today we will discuss how to insert column in Microsoft Word. Sometimes we need columns and we want to make sheets in Microsoft Word. How we can insert table in Microsoft Word, I will tell you in detail. To insert column, first of all you have to open Microsoft Word. After opening Microsoft Word, you have to go to insert menu. Here you will see a table option, add a table. Click on here and you can select the rows and columns from here, or you can also click on insert table. If you click on insert table, here it will ask from you how many numbers of columns and rows you want to add. If I want to add 5 columns and 4 rows, then I will select the 4 rows and 5 columns, and here are some different options. Fixed column width, if auto, and we can also select auto fit to content, auto fit to windows. These are different options we can choose as we required. To selection these options, I will click OK. Here you will see we insert a table in Microsoft Word. You can adjust the columns as like so. You can increase or decrease the column width. Here we can give names to columns like serial number, name, designation. We can give these options, and same we can bold these headings as you like, and we can also increase or decrease font size according to our requirement, and same we can to align center and justify the text. We can do all these options as in words. Friend, this is the simple table, and we can also expand its rows or columns as we need. To do this, right click on plus sign and go to table properties, and here you can select row, and you can also specify row height. Let's like if you want to 0.3 or 0.4, you can click OK. Here you can see a small change, but we will expand some more height like this one. You have to select the whole table to specify the row height like this. Now this is you can expand the row height, and same as you can expand the columns. You can also from here, or you can click on properties and go to column, and you can prefer width from here. So these are the options from where you can adjust the rows and column height. You can also use the cell option, like you can vertical alignment as center, and then click OK. You can see some type of options here to insert the table in Microsoft Word, and you can also insert the auto numbering as here. Like if you insert more row, then you can use the option of tab and it will automatically insert the row numbers. And this is all about the how to insert tables in Microsoft Word. I think you understand all the procedure. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments. Thanks. Bye.